In a world driven by technology, businesses rely on their data more than ever. When you are moving offices, you need a trusted mover with experience in handling your technology with care and expertise. Since 1912, Buehler Companies has been that trusted mover for commercial moving services with locations in Denver, Fort Worth, Albuquerque, and Colorado Springs. Imagine the complexity of moving 600 server racks. That's exactly what we did for our valued customer. Over 6 weeks, our skilled team transported the entire infrastructure from their existing location to their new offices across town without a single scratch or delay. Our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction is what sets us apart. Trust the moving experts, Buehler Companies, your reliable partners for all your moving needs. Buehler Companies, the way the world is moving.